Ready? Hello.
Uptown Swing, level 1, Maddie.
Peter. You guys rocked it. It was super, super good. We only did a couple of new things. We did do boop, ba, ba, da. This turn right here. I remember we talked about coming to go. Yeah, little 6 count. Just like turn and move it. Just trying to keep the dance moving a little bit more. That's how we actually dance, I think, as opposed to dancing in place. Totally cool to dance in place while you're learning the thing. As you get it, maybe try to get it moving a little bit more, keep the flow going. Then, we took the same turn, this little side pass turn we practiced last week. We changed it into a mid. So you know, let's do it this way. We go rock, step, down, step, up, rock, step, triple, triple. I'm gonna count that for you one time just in case you get confused where you are. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Let's do it one more time. Followers, you can really see Maddie turning backwards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That was it. You guys got that? Woo!